Welcome, friends, to our exploration of the vibrant visions in Zechariah chapters 1 to 4, a gripping part of the Bible brimming with hope, restoration, and divine reassurance. If you're new to the Bible, fear not, we've got you covered with a straightforward walkthrough. We begin in Zechariah 1, where Zechariah, a prophet, delivers God's message calling the people to return to him. "Return to me and I will return to you," says the Lord Almighty. It's an invitation laced with promise and affection, setting the stage for a return to favor after 70 years of exile. This vision emphasizes reconciliation and hope, highlighting God's desire for his people's restoration.
Next, Zechariah is shown a series of 8 visions, and the first involves a man riding a red horse among myrtle trees. Behind him are other horses. This vision, featuring in verses 8 to 11, speaks of God's angelic patrol, symbolizing that God is present and safeguarding his people, even when they feel desolate. In chapter 2, a man measures Jerusalem, foretelling expansion and divine protection. Verse 5 captures this brilliantly, "And I myself will be a wall of fire around it, declares the Lord," casting a vibrant image of God as a protective shield, promising growth beyond boundaries. Chapter 3 presents a powerful courtroom drama where Joshua, the high priest, stands accused by Satan. The Lord rebukes Satan and replaces Joshua's filthy garments with rich attire. This scene symbolizes forgiveness and restoration, affirming that those who follow God are cleansed and renewed.
Finally, in chapter 4, we encounter the iconic vision of a golden lampstand and olive trees. In verse 6, God assures Zerubbabel, the governor, with words that resonate across time, "Not by might nor by power, but by my Spirit." It's a monumental reminder that success comes through divine strength, not human efforts, urging readers to trust in spiritual authority. Zechariah 1 to 4 is a tapestry of encouragement, renewal, and divine advocacy. It reminds us that God is an active presence in the unfolding story of humanity, ready to guide, protect, and restore. Whether you're discovering these texts for the first time or seeking deeper understanding, their timeless messages of hope and divine partnership are as relevant today as they were centuries ago.